Yup, that right there is my PC build, and yes, there are a lot of cables which I really need to clean. Well, let's keep that to the side. In this video, I'll be showing you my PC build and the parts I picked out to build it. Stay tuned. The first part on our list is the AMD Ryzen 3 3200G, a CPU with integrated Vega 8 graphics, which is wonderful. This CPU has 4 cores and 4 threads. It has a base clock of 3.6 GHz and can be overclocked to 4 GHz. It also comes with the Wraith Stealth cooler, which is surprisingly very effective. Our next part on the list is the Asus TUF B450 Plus Gaming. This is an ATX motherboard with a variety of additional features. This motherboard was built with military-grade TUF components. It uses DDR4 RAM with a maximum capacity of 64GB RAM and has 2 slots for GPU and 3 additional expansion slots, which you might need for a Wi-Fi card. It also includes Aura Sync RGB. There's an additional M.2 SSD slot. For the power supply, I went with the standard Corsair VS650W. It is 80 plus rated with high efficiency and low noise. For my DDR4 RAM, I went with a 16GB kit of the Crucial Ballistics. The case which I used for the build is the Thermaltake ATX V200 case. However, I did not purchase the RGB version as I already had RGB fans which were already purchased before. Well, this was just a simple and quick video that I wanted to make to show you guys the PC build. This is the first time I had gathered PC components and built my own custom PC. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching it, and also I really wanted to buy a new graphics card, so if any one of you could tell me in the comments below a GPU which I could purchase, I would really appreciate it. Thank you.